Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy the S&P on eToro. So all you need to do once you've got your account set up is come up here to the search bar, type in S, the AND symbol, and P, and then the S&P 500 indices will come up. Go ahead and click on that. And then we have the option up here on the top right to trade it. It's also worth noting that you can see the chart in more detail on this tab along with news, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's go ahead and press trade. I then have the option to invest in this, and I can then quantify by how much. In this example, I'll do $1,000 using my trial account, set my leverage to 1. I also have the option here to do a market order or limit order. A limit order, if I just show you this quickly, will allow me to set the price that I think it will go to when I want to trade it. And what I mean by that is, say for example, right now, the S&P is currently trading at $6,295. If I think in the short term it's going to fall to $6,200, I can then enter that here, and it will then buy $1,000 worth once it reaches this price. If it doesn't reach this price, this trade will never execute. And for the sake of this example, if I want to buy this right now, I'm just going to do a market order, and then I can press the buy button. Down here you can see it says order received by S&P 500 at market. Right now the market is currently closed because I'm filming this at the weekend. And if we go over to my portfolio here, we can see that that is pending for when the market opens. If I want to go ahead and cancel that, I can do by just pressing this button, and there we go. And that is how you buy the S&P 500 on eToro.